I'm about to teach you how to get tens of thousands of views within your first couple weeks on YouTube. Also expect to see a bunch of new subscribers. The last time I was on my computer, I had 18 subscribers. Now I refresh the page, and we have 78 subscribers. That is a little bit of an increase, and I just want to note that this is our second week on YouTube. Not too bad. And now I'll show you how we got here. I used YouTube Shorts. I've gained tens of thousands of views from these YouTube Shorts with this method that I'm about to show you. Let's go back to where this all started. You basically need to post a bunch of YouTube Shorts in bulk. You can either create them, or you can use my method, which I find is easier. I start off by going onto the Instagram mobile app. Go into the search bar and type a hashtag of the specific niche. Our niche is going to start off with being YouTube monetization, YouTube advice, YouTube support. So we'll go in here and find a YouTube hashtag. Once we do that, you can go right to the Reels section in the top right, and there will be tons of Reels, which will also translate to YouTube Shorts. You can scroll around and find a video that might fit your niche, and I will show you how to download that video on your phone and repost it on YouTube. Find your video, click it, go to the three dots in the bottom right of your screen, and click copy link. Then go to Safari or your web browser and go to igram.io. Paste your link and click download. Scroll down, click download.mp4, click download again. If you're on an iPhone, click the top left of your screen and you will see a little download circle. The wheel will start to spin, and once it's complete, your video is done. Once it's complete, click on the Downloads tab. Click on the video, and then on the bottom left of your screen, click that little square with an arrow. Go down to Save Video. Your video will be saved to your camera roll. And from here, you can go back to YouTube, click the plus button, create a short. Your first video will be the one that you had just downloaded, and away you go. The next step would be to choose audio. The tricky thing with YouTube and its audio is that there are copyright rules. So if there's any original audio that is music of any sort, YouTube will flag it for copyright. So if you slide this bar all the way to the music side, you'll be saved of that copyright. One thing to note as well, this will only be good for 15-second videos if you want the music to continue. Anything over 15 seconds, the music will be cut after that. Create a catchy title that will make people want to click on your video and keep watching it. And always add hashtag shorts. For your visibility, always click public, and audience, always click it's not made for kids. Now your video will process and will be posted into the YouTube world. I try to use this method about 5 to 10 times per day, and you usually have a success rate of about 40% of having a video get at least 1,000 to 3,000 views. Sometimes you'll get 5,000 views on a video, sometimes you'll get 10,000 views on a video, and sometimes you'll even get 100,000 views on a video, or even 1,000,000 views on a video. That being said, you will post a lot of videos that will get minimal views. You'll have no views, 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, so on. You just have to delete those videos and repost them, and eventually they'll catch into the shorts feed algorithm and you'll get tons of views. On the screen you're watching a progress montage of the shorts that I posted since I had started this account about 2 weeks ago. I would post some videos, make a screen recording of the past video's progress, and then the next day I would do the same thing and repeat. I would be deleting videos that aren't getting views. Some of these videos start catching. You can see this one started going. I gained 3 subscribers from it, and I just delete the smaller videos over about a 1 or 2 day period that are just sitting, and I don't want those, so I'll just delete them and I'll repost them. Eventually they catch. You'll see I'll start getting videos with thousands and thousands of views. As it keeps going, they just keep increasing, and it spreads. It spreads like a pandemic. Your views, your watch time, your subscribers, everything keeps going up, and the more you post, the more your account will get out there, and the more subscribers you'll get, the more watch time you'll get. Everything increases, which will get you to your level of monetization in a heartbeat. This video right here has 2.9k views, 72 likes, few comments, it really increases the activity to your account. So shorts are highly recommended. You can even give credit to the original creator in the description section. This one has 2,000. As you can see, I'm now at a point where I have 26,000 views on this YouTube channel. And this video took off. We have 9.2k views. This was an all-time high at the time, and it gave me a good 30 plus increase in subscribers, and we got a ton of comments on this one. This definitely increases the activity to your account. You can see there's even a lot of likes on some of these comments, and a lot of the comments will be controversial, but I found on the shorts, if you start posting controversial things, those are the videos that end up taking off. So definitely don't be afraid of the negative comments towards your videos. It all works out in the end. I'm now over 100 subscribers, and I will be posting my 100 subscriber update shortly. The moral of this story is to post YouTube shorts, and if your YouTube shorts don't take off, keep reposting them with the hashtag shorts. Definitely keep on posting until they take off. Thanks for watching us at Zero to Monetization. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check out our next videos on some next steps for your successful YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.